It's one of the biggest brownfield sites certainly in the north of England, if not in the UK at the moment. It's 24 acres, right in the middle of the city. It's a fantastic collaboration between the university and the city council. We own the land, we've got planning permission, we're all ready to go.
When we were at the very early stages of Science Central and thinking about what we wanted to do, we realised that urban sustainability was a very broad topic. And what we wanted to be able to do is articulate what's special about Newcastle's ability in this space of urban sustainability. What can we offer that's unique on the international scale? And what we came up with was that it was the combination of our skills in big data and cloud computing and the digital technologies and our skills in engineering. So here we are on Science Central. As you can see, it really is central to Newcastle City. We've got St James's Park here on the left and the Newcastle University Business School, Chinatown just ahead of me and the train station. And we're standing outside the core building. The core building is the first building on site. What we're looking at, for example, is sustainable urban drainage systems on the site and looking at how we can use natural features like swales and ponds.
We've basically built a whole model, computer model of this site, a hydraulic model, and we can now simulate how much water would move through this site. It would be a real sustainable drainage system protecting the site, but also an exemplar to the city, to the region and to the country, to the world even, that this is how you do it.
You can see that vast swathes of it are not developed yet. We have a master plan that says how we want to develop it, and for example over in this part here we're going to have a lot of residential, we're going to have industry, commercial, retail, leisure, as well as the academic and research and industry buildings. But really what's worth saying is that there's still a lot to be determined for this site.
The university can provide expertise from an academic point of view, but the university needs a commercialisation partner to take those technologies and those services forward. It's not just a separate science park where these companies are working in isolation. We want to try and cluster the right partners around that to say, how do we solve this challenge?
And exactly how each plot is developed and what the activities are is still up for grabs.